guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I got some things and I want to share them with you. I'm very excited because it is a vinyl record and a CD for probably one of the best albums of the year, and it is called The Tortured Poets Department. And girl, you know, she's you know, an indie artist, so you probably never heard of her, but her name is Taylor Swift. But yeah, I got the Anthology plus the Anthology CD. Okay, let's go through the CD. You know, I don't usually do vinyl. Anyways, I don't really usually do vinyl unboxings on my channel, or music unboxings in general. But I do lots of record collection videos. But today is special because the Anthology really means just a lot to me, and it's one of my favorite albums ever. So let's get into this CD. The CD is a normal CD. I thought it would be like one of the bigger, chunkier ones, like the ones that were exclusive on her shop, but they're not. It's just a regular CD, like the Taylor's versions, because it comes with two. Open it up, it comes with a lyric booklet, also known as the cover. Just take her out, and there's a lot of fun pictures, all of the song lyrics, and I love the pictures in these. I always just love looking at lyric booklets. They're my favorite in CDs. Anyways, in the CD itself, it comes with two CDs, no special pictures. It looks the other one looks the exact same as this. It's just in my CD player. You just flip it over, and that's where she goes. But yeah, it comes with two CDs. Let's just put this back in, because it is the cover, and I love the cover so much. But that is just the CD. I got this before the record because I didn't think I'd be able to get it, but I was able to get it online. So we got it. Also my Tortured Poets copy is this, so they look the same. I wish I got a different copy, but you know what? It's fine. I will live. Getting into the record, I did keep the hype sticker. I did mess it up a little, but it's okay. I'm just taking the entire thing out because this is like a vinyl unboxing review video. So with the records aside, I'm gonna put those away over here. This is a gatefold vinyl, which I would hope, you know, there's 4 LPs. This is the inside of the Anthology. This is the 2 outsides, the front and the back. This, unlike the regular Poets album, it does not have a built-in booklet inside, so it doesn't have a big book in it. Thank God, because it would be so chunky. Thank God. And I don't think anything would fit, but this is the album. Now, moving on to the records. I'm gonna try to find the first one. Sorry, there's 4 of them. The first one is so beautiful. I mean, look at her. This is kind of reminding me of the Phantom Clear vinyl for the regular Tortured Poets Department album, the Target exclusive. And if you don't know what that is, just look it up. It reminds me very much of that, and I love it because, yeah. Also, can we talk about this photo shoot? How many pictures and how stunning she looks on everything. Like, okay, this is the second disc. Like, look at that photo. Look at how good it is. This is the second LP. And yes, I will be showing you guys all of them because they're all different. I think I love the light marble. These are also the thick LPs. I know there's a name for it. I think it's like a milligram or grams or something. I don't know, y'all. I'm kind of stupid, but like some records are thicker, like a lot thicker on the sides, and some records are really thin, and it's weird. And this is a thick album, which I appreciate because I know a lot of people like the thin ones, but I personally like the thick ones because they just feel more bougie, like you got your money's worth, if you know what I mean. You know, like it just feels really good. This is like more of a light smoky clear with a little bit of marbling. That is the second LP. The third LP or the fourth LP, I don't know which one, but I think the third one's my favorite, which is this next one. It also weirdly has my favorite songs on it, which is basically the start of the anthology. The Black Dog, I Hate It Here. So High School, How Did It End? Those are some of the best songs ever. Also, Chloe, Sam, Sophia Marquez. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but this is, oh, wrong one. This is the last one, but I'm gonna show it anyways. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it has, like, oh, you can kind of see it, but like right there, it's like, a really heavy marble in the middle. Wait, can you see it? I'm trying to get it. Okay, you can kind of see it right here. See, look at that. Look at that, like right there. But that's like all around the disc, and it looks so beautiful in person. Like, let me tell you. Oh, I wish you could see it. I might pop up some pictures, but this is definitely one of my favorites. Probably my favorite, actually. I know I said the third one would be my favorite. This is technically the fourth one because I pulled it out first. But, oh my god, girl, get in. Also, this is the sleeve. I don't know if I showed it. Oh, so pretty. Also, the back is so gorgeous. 2023, by the way, girl. That is when she released, 1989. Taylor's version, obviously, but... oh, she just really blows my mind every single time. Oh, she's not in here, but this is the sleeve. Very basic. Let me take her out. She's in the record player. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. This stuff is all over that third record, but you just can't see it because it's clear. Oh, look how beautiful. You're joking. Like, look how stunning this record is. I'm putting her right back in this. And I was lying. That actually is the fourth one. I was lying. Yeah, I was lying. Oopsie poopsie. But yeah, that was the Tortured Poets Department, the Anthology vinyl review unboxing. Since we're here talking about the anthology, I'm gonna name just my favorite songs. Oh wait, comes with a poster. It is a tiny little poster. I'm not hanging it up. I'm keeping it in the LP gatefold. But you know, people like to hang those up sometimes. I did with my Guts one with the Olivia Rodrigo, but I took it down because I just like the bigger posters personally. But I was gonna say, while we're here, I'm going to share my favorite songs off of the standard album. First, I would say So Long London, But Daddy I Love Him, Guilty as Sin, Who's Afraid of Little Old Me, LOML, and The Smallest Man Who Ever Lived. Those are my favorites. You know what, I'm gonna add like one more just for fun. The Alchemy, Girl, she gets an honorable mention. You know, she is so stunning. Oh my god. This is gonna be hard to pick favorites off of the deluxe album. Just because it's so good. But I'm gonna say the Black Dog, obviously. Like, hello. I'm gonna Get You Back. How Did It End? So High School. I Hate It Here. The Bolter and Peter. Those are the ones I'm gonna say. But just know that I love all of these songs so much. They all just represent what I went through this year. And what Taylor went through in 2023. And this album came out at a good time for me, okay? I really needed her. And she came through. She came through. And I would like to thank you guys for sticking along with me. This was an expensive album, so please show your love and support by liking the video, maybe share a comment, or just send this video to your friend or something. That would mean the world. Also, you can press the subscribe button. It's totally free. And if you love vinyl record videos, girl, what are you doing? Go look at my other videos. I don't know what you doing, but I have a whole collection. This ain't the only one. This ain't the only one. She's just getting an honorable mention today. Also, I haven't been posting a lot because I kind of got a job. I'm kind of trying to live. I'm kind of trying to take care of my mental health. I'm trying to like stay off the internet. Anyways, love y'all. Again, like the video, subscribe. Y'all want more vinyl unboxings, just let me know.